Begin the autopsy. What did you find?
Some sappy sentiments about a sunset.
Oh, when you've done as many of these authors as I have. Oh, character descriptions. Oh, clever saying, stolen from friends. Inklings of genius.
An idea for a novel.
Oh, with this much material, the volume of work is surprisingly low.
So that's what killed him then. All of those jumbled thoughts just wrapped in angst and discontent.
No, that's the norm for these creative types. My, I've never seen bowel blockage of this magnitude. Discarded drafts, neglected novels, rejected rewrites.
What a waste.
Aha! There it is. The cause of death.
My magnum opus?
It was pressing on his heart.
It's blank.